Good. Now medium. That winds up to it. That's it. So he's going to need a tap. I might do it with a tap.
You've still got that movement in test where you go collect the top for 3 4 strokes. Yeah, I think so.
Good. Now short. 2, 3, 4. Now wait. Now long. Go. Tap again. Tap again. He's not long. He's not gone long. Okay. So if he's a little bit out of balance and he's not in control, don't go long, like unless he's balanced. That's enough. Now short. 2, 3, 4. Now long. Tap. Better, but it still winds up to it a little bit. Can you feel that? No, keep still, get control. Good. Don't make an issue out of it. Just say, no, I'm not moving. You stay with me. That's it. That's enough. Good. Now that he can do all day. But what he's not so good at is going from long to short to long straight away. So just do about